Good morning, guys. This is Lowe's Outdoors Fishing. It is a wonderful morning. It is 4:36 in the morning. We're going to the Sarasota Bridge. I believe they're the twin bridges in Sarasota, down somewhere about north, I believe. Not sure where it is, but I know it's the twin bridges down Sarasota. I fished this before. Yeah, it's too early in the morning. I'm just getting my bearings together. Joe's gonna meet us over there today. It's low tide right now. I checked. High tide will be about 6 o'clock. I'm not gonna be there too much. You know, it gets hot in the afternoon. We're gonna really see how fishing's been going because we had a hurricane, so it didn't hit us bad. It hit us with a couple winds. I just, everything hit down Tampa area around there. Well, all my prayers go to everybody over there. Yeah, so we had a little hurricane hit us over here. There's another one somewhere, but not going towards us. It's going down like north area, somewhere around there. Well, let's talking more fishing, guys, right? That's what I say. So yeah, so we're gonna go to the twin bridges and we're actually gonna see what we catch. We haven't been fishing in a while because not a while. Last time we were fishing was night. Now we're doing nighttime fishing. Yeah, so low tide right now, about 5 or 6 o'clock will be high tide. So yeah, guys, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for all the positive comments. And guys, let's live the dream and let's keep fishing. Don't stop all your dreams. If you have a dream, follow your dream. Trust me, follow your dream, because your dream will come true. Bait all over the pylons here, like crazy bait all over the place. That's a good sign. That's a very good sign. Oh my god, I just saw a snook over there. Oh my god. Okay, let's throw a line in. Alright guys, we're gonna throw this lure, see if we catch anything. I want to thank Ron. He works for me. He gave me this lure. So Ron, if you're watching my video, here's the lure. I'm about to throw it. If I catch one, because it's a good luck. It's a good luck lure. If I catch something. Yes, sir. Uh-oh. I think I caught myself. Yeah, so Ron, if you're watching, there's a lure you give me. We're about to throw it. Let's see what we catch, Ron. All right. Uh-oh, fish on. Fish on, baby. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on with the lure that my buddy Ron gave me. Look at that. I caught a ladyfish. Look at that, Ron. Yes, sir. Told you the lure is good luck. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Easy. Sometimes these ladyfish can get a little dangerous. I'm actually going to use him as bait. Oh, he ain't going to make it. Yeah, he ain't going to make it. So I'm actually going to use him as bait. Alright, let me get him on done. Alright, here it is. It's a ladyfish. I'm actually going to use him as bait. Can't make it. He really cannot make it. So I'm not going to let him go to waste. I'm going to use him as bait. It's a ladyfish. So yeah, we'll see what we catch with the ladyfish. Fish on. Fish on. With what? I don't know. It's there. Fish on, baby. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? What is he? Where is he? With a catfish. Fish on with a catfish. All right. Catfish. There's a fat one too. All right. Easy. Look like a shark to me. First I thought it was a shark. Nope, he's a kitty cat. Easy there, buddy. Trying to help you out. Alright. Well, better than nothing, eh? It's a nice, beautiful catfish. I think he's pregnant. His stomach's pretty big. Alright, man. Thanks for the catch. Woo, belly flop. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you to Joey V in the house. It's about time he gets here. Took him about 6 years just to get here.
I do what I can.
Guys, it's Joey V. Ladies and gentlemen, he is here.
I do what I can.
He's here.
I had to get him coffee. Don't let him lie to you.
Yeah, he ain't lying. I forgot. Well, I got up early. I was here at 4. I didn't get here till like 4:50. Caught my first fish, was a ladyfish.
Nice.
Then toadfish, then a catfish.
I was drinking. Okay, that's the one
I was drinking from coffee. We're not sponsored by that person, but
yeah, Duncan. Yeah, Duncan doesn't sponsor us.
Doesn't sponsor us, but we would like for Duncan to sponsor.
Tell you what, but that's definitely the coffee. That's definitely the coffee of choice.
Yes, sir. We would like for Duncan to sponsor us.
Best morning coffee you can have.
Oh yeah.
And it won't cost you $8.
Exactly. He ain't lying about that. Yeah, so far good day.
Then I stopped in over and saw Eric over at All About Fishing.
All About Fishing? Oh, yes, sir.
I picked up a Spinfisher 6 2500.
Fish on. Fish on, baby. Hey, Joe, look, a whole bunch. Look at this, boy. Holy cow. Yo, look at it, Joe. Holy cow, boy. It's a lot of jacks. Holy cow! Yo, bring your fishing rod or something, bro.
I'm not rigged up for anything.
Bring one of mine.
Nice.
They're jacks. Screw that. I gotta bring a. Yeah. Fish on. Golly. Fish on, baby. Joe, just grab the one that I have with no. What's it called? All right, set it up. Oh my God, this was heavy. What happened? Oh man. Hate that.
Yeah.
Told you the jacks would be back.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Joe. I'm already getting tired.
Dig in, dig in.
Oh my God, don't run. Don't run. Dude, I haven't been this tired in a while. No, he's there. No. Look at him. I file hook him. I file hook. Woo! Baby. Oh. Holy cow, Joe.
Good job.
I haven't had fun like this in a while.
Right?
Holy cow, boy.
Boy.
Whew.
Nice. Nice sized jacks too.
Oh yeah.
They're running up in Tampa.
Oh boy. Nice. Don't leave me yet. Here we go, guys. Another jack. What a great morning. What a morning. Thanks for the catch, buddy. Thank you. Hey, I haven't had so much fun in a while, man.
Right?
Fishing, especially fishing. Holy cow. Yo, and they get bigger and bigger, I'll tell you that. Oh my God. Woo. Jacks, what else I saw? I saw a group of stingrays. It was early in the morning. I saw a group of stingrays, a group of snook that I tried to, catch one. But I think they were feeding off greenbacks. I ain't had no greenbacks. But yeah, man. Oh, just got hit. Just got hit. Yo, my buddy Ron, thank you for the lure. Told you this lure is lucky. Here, if I catch one, you reel it in.
Yeah.
I know.
I haven't used any of these rods since
1991.
I organized them all. You know?
Yeah. Oh, just got hit. Whoa. No, fish on. Oh, he let go.
There you go.
He let go. Fish on, baby. This might be a little jack. Oh, whoa, what is this? Wait, what? Look, a grouper. Remember we were just talking about this?
Yeah.
Dude, I forgot this is a grouper honey hole.
Yeah, there's a little group behind all there.
Oh my God, bro.
Reserve.
Dude, this is awesome. All species of fish we're catching today. Uh-oh. Alright, oh, Joe, you think you can help me out real quick? Before I get this hook on my finger?
Hey, what's up, group? All right, we got a groupie. All right, let's see. Oh, okay.
Easy, easy.
Oh man, he went for the whole thing.
All right, he's off. Look at that. What a nice grouper.
Ooh, sexy.
Oh, 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 oh.
He says, hey, watch it.
All right. Thanks for the catch. See ya. What a beautiful morning.
Is that a shark?
What a beautiful morning, man. Come on, Joe. Want to use my lure?
No. No, that's
Over here. About to check on this side. Oh my God. Oh. Gotta go under the bridge. Oh my God. Oh. Well, guys, we're underneath the bridge. Well, about to check on this side. Oh, here we go again. One more time. All right, we're on the other side. Now, what is this? Oh no. All right. It's a little boat over there. Huh. Beautiful sun. Look at that beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Fish on. Fish on. Oh. What is this? Another grouper? Another grouper. Caught another grouper, guys. Oh, on this lure. Really hate when you catch like every other type of fish on lures. These lures get stuck on them pretty good, you know. So you gotta be extra careful. There you go. Fish on. Hey Joe! A grouper! Yes sir, another nice gag grouper. Look at that. Thanks for the catch. Dude, they're out here. Fish on! Fish on! Joe! Hurry up, Joe! Joey V! Bring that lure! Fish on. Bring some pliers! I gotta get Joe on a fish. Oh, there we go. Fish on. I think this is another jack. Oh yeah, it's another jack. Yes sir. Look at that. Another jackerel. All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. See, that's the bad thing when you have lures. Always bring pliers with you. Right, another jack. I don't know if this one's gonna make it. Another jack, guys. Thanks for the catch. Oh yeah, he's gone. Hey, there they are.
Fish on.
That's the little freaking fish that was following it.
A little Lizzie.
Yeah, a little lizard.
That's Lizzie Borden. What's the problem?
Little lizard. All right.
What's this hazard for?
Throw that lure out there. I'm gonna go get the cart. Right over here. We'll fish this side. Careful, don't get hooked your fingers. Didn't bring the pliers when I told you to bring them.
I heard lure.
I know you heard lure. Careful.
Oh, he's got a double hook. Yeah, I'll teach you. Fucking with my bait.
Hey, watch your mouth.
I mean, don't be messing with my bait, you little lizard.
Snook like a lizard fish. I'm gonna go get the cart. I thought you were lying about fish on.
I got the perfect lure for lizard fish. Let me know if you're looking for this lure. I'll let you know what it is.
Right.
Just in the comments and we'll let you know. Always will catch you a lizard fish.
Oh my God, Joe! I thought you were lying about fish on.
All right, buddy, take it easy. Hey, settle down. Settle down.
He's like, fish on. I'm like, you lying. That was funny.
Where's your pliers?
I'll go get him. Fish on. I think it's a lizard fish. Yeah, it's a lizard fish. Another lizard fish. Fish on? Lizard fish. Thanks for the catch. Fish on. Fish on, Joe, with the grouper. Nice.
Oh, Lowe's, LOS, Outdoors Fishing.
Okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Grouper. Oh yeah. Doing something a little different today, guys. We're using more lures than we are live bait. We're using actually a little bit of both, with some ladyfish for bait.
Yeah.
But we are using lures today, changing it up a little bit. And we got ourselves a nice little grouper here.
Fish on. Come on, Joe, get him.
Oh, he's huge.
It's a puffer fish.
He's a huge puffer.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
What's up, Mr. Puff?
No, he's puffing. Look at that.
He's puffing up. He's puffing his chest up. Oh, it's like a pillow.
Look at that, guys. Puff, puff, puff. It's Mr. Puffer.
All of a sudden, it's a frog.
Oh, he's getting bigger and bigger.
Okay. All right. Oh, look at those teeth. Anybody looking for teeth? Let us know. We can get these teeth for you. Comment in the comment section if you're looking for some nice teeth. He's got a nice couple of teeth right there. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Bottom teeth, by the way.
Bottom teeth.
Yeah. So if you need bottom row.
Fish on. Damn, Joe. Yes, sir. Joe over here catching all the fish. Hey, what you looking over there, boy?
Yeah, what's up? Look at that. That's 10 inches right there. Oh, yeah.
Nice. Oh, I think I have a fish on.
If you're from Arizona, you're going to like lizards.
I don't think I have
I am not from Arizona.
it. No, just seaweed.
Hey, you got the fly?
Fish on!
Oh, he's huge.
Fish on, Joey! Oh, I gotta get up. I gotta get up. I gotta get up. Fish on.
start. I thought there was something on my rod, you know.
I was like, hurry up with that fish.
Where is he? Come on, show yourself.
Right? Oh, it's a ladyfish. Lizard fish.
He's gone now. He let go.
Oh, he let go.
He did himself a favor.
Right? Oh, you had a good fish.
Yeah, it was a nice. You see the size of him? He had to be at least 8 inches.
Joe funny. You funny. You just hit your rod. No, mine. What?
Oh, yours or
Mine.
He just breached. He just breached.
Fish on.
He just breached.
Fish on.
That is a snook.
Oh, that's a snook.
That's a breach.
That's a snook, Joe.
Get him in. Bring him in.
Snook on, baby.
Snooky.
Hold that real quick, bro. I need the pliers. Oh my God, Joe, that's a snook. Hold on, Joe. Whoa, you're choking me.
My bad. Something was biting my lure. That's why. I got it.
Whoa, guys, look at that snook.
Oh, he's a beauty.
Snook.
He's a beauty. Nice.
All right, let's release him.
Are you ready? Woo. If you like snook, say so in the comments. They're beautiful.
Nice release. Is he gone?
Oh yeah.
He left?
Yep.
Good, yeah.
He had his mouth open. He got a nice good water rush in his gill.
Good.
Yeah, that was beautiful, man. He was a
Yeah.
He just went there, yeah.
Oh yeah. Fish on. Fish on. Lizard. Fish on with the lizard fish. Fish on. Fish on. Oh! Another lizard. Yo, guys, we're on the lizard fish today. Ooh, we're on the lizard fish. We're on the lizard fish bite today. We're on the lizard fish bite today, guys.
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice little lizard.
Beautiful day.
Thanks for the catch.
It's a beautiful. Bring it in. Fish on it?
Yeah. Uh-oh. We're tangled up. Uh-oh. Oh shoot, we're so tangled up. Oh my God. Can you grab my rod real quick?
Yeah, I got it.
I'll grab yours. Oh, bring it. Pull. Let me get this. We're so tangled up. I mean, we're tangled. Your fish is still on though, I feel it. Oh God. All right, reel. Oh, we both got a fish. Go on there, go this way. Go this way.
You got one?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna hold.
I think, hold on, my line is so loose.
We're just tangled up.
I have a fish. I have a fish. You have a fish? You have a fish. We're double up.
Double up.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Catfish and the ladyfish.
I got a special restaurant I need to drop this thing off at.
Oh yeah.
Take your guesses. Let me see them in the comment.
Fish on. Fish on. Oh, with the mangrove snapper.
Oh, scrapper, is it?
It's a mangrove snapper.
What am I stuck?
With a mangrove snapper now.
Stop.
Nice. Fuck, dude. Damn. Caught a bird, man. I gotta reel this bird in. He's inside the water, man.
Got your line.
No, because he's gonna get tangled up. No, there's right there, see him? He's coming. Damn. It's a bird or a duck, whatever it is. Damn. Damn, guys, I caught a bird. Right where he was flying. It's alright, he's coming.
Come on, buddy.
He's coming.
Swim this way.
He's coming. Alright, let me cut it for a minute and I'll be... Alright. Here, come here. Agarra esto. Grab this. Caught him in his wing. Alright, buddy. Oh, hold on.
No. Easy.
Hold on, buddy.
Easy.
Hold on. We gotta get him, grab him he's gonna bite you. Grab him in his head. Grab him in his head. Grab his head. Here,
Stab him if he bites me. So you're gonna take these.
See? Sorry, buddy. I'm trying to grab you. I'm trying to...
Do you have a blanket?
I forgot what you call these.
No, stop.
Grab his neck.
What? I don't want to get bit.
Well, I'm telling you what to do. Look, he has a long neck too.
Yeah, he's like double necking. See him? His head's like twisting around.
All right, so what are we gonna do?
We need a blanket. All right, someone take off a shirt.
All right, here, I'll take mine.
What?
Yes, 2 shirts.
How many shirts you have on?
10. All right, here, someone record. Grab the camera. Está grabando. Oh. Hold it.
Grab it, Joe. Papá. Mira, ven acá, loco.
Mira.
Échasela encima, hijo, encima.
Una.
Eso es.
No puedo. No se puede.
I know. I'm sorry.
Hey, you know, birds know.
Birds are healthy.
Oh, shit. What? No hace nada, agárrala.
¿Qué te pasa?
No hace nada. Nomás pica.
He's trying to grab it.
Ahí. Ponle la...
No, just try to grab his neck. All right, grab his neck.
Don't let him get away.
I don't like cuello, but this bird has this 360 neck.
Yeah, I know. Like my camera.
Oh, hold on.
Don't.
Grab his neck. Here you go. Oh, watch it. Hey! Pensé que lo había agarrado. No. Alright, try again.
Try again. He just bite you?
David, why don't you help him?
I don't know. He's jumping.
He'll be okay.
He knows.
We want to get him out. Go back, Joe. I'm just making sure you don't
Keep
go in the
careful.
water.
Come on.
Vamos a caerle.
Mira, güey.
No, open it more.
She knows me now. Yeah, she knows you.
Es que el pedo de que cuando le tiro el agarrón al cuello, ya no está ahí, güey.
I know, just gonna grab him by the head.
Yeah.
Come on.
Aquí déjala que agarre y me tira.
Do not get your wing.
Oh, here you go.
There you go. He's on. Thank you, Lord.
Free.
All right, my sister got a fish on. Come on, reel. Don't stop, reel. Because if you stop, the fish gonna let go.
Oh, yeah.
Is he on?
Yeah.
What is it? A little lizard fish. Nice.
Oh, lizard.
Hey, you caught more fish than your dad today.
It's a little lizard fish.
Take a picture.
Come here.
Come here. I was trying to take a photo.
Oh, little lizard. Oh, little lizard. My sister.
I'm trying.
Really? Really? Hold it tight. Hold it tight.
Oh,
No, keep reeling, reel it. Reel it.
he's coming.
Reel. Right there, stop. There you go, look at that.
Whoa.
Look at that. Got a lizard fish.
I got him.
Oh.
Oh, he got out. Grab it.
Oh, look, he's out.
Bye-bye.
Nice.
What was
Good
it?
job.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
Good job.
I saw it. He was just wind. What kind of fish was it?
Lizard fish. Fish on. Fish on. I don't know if it's fighting like a snook. Yeah, I think so. I believe so. Yes, it's another snook.
Nice. Yes, sir.
God, this one's bigger.
All right. Gotta do pictures.
Woo.
Gotta do pictures.
Joe, you got your pliers with you?
See.
Oh, hold on. I might not need them. Yep, I'm good. Here, hold that. All right, guys, look. Another nice snook.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
All right. Let's get the release. All right.
Nice release.
Nice release on the snook.
Gracias. Oh, I got snook juice on my phone.
Yes, how was that snook, boy?
That's nice.
So, all right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. We had a blast today. We caught fish back to back from early in the morning to the afternoon.
It's been a day of some good fishing.
Good fishing. This is a very good video today.
Yeah.
We caught some good. We caught all types of fish.
Everything but a walrus.
Walrus.
And we did not catch what are those big things? What are those big guys that float around?
What?
Manatee.
Oh,
yeah.
manatee.
You know those guys.
Or
yeah?
dolphins.
And no dolphins.
That's in the skyway.
And no sharks.
No sharks. But I did caught a bird. But hey.
But we set that bird free.
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
We did a little free.
Dude, that bird's head went 360.
Oh, that bird was crazy. That is like a poltergeist bird. The head just spins on you.
I never seen that before.
Yeah, we got somebody bit, but we won't tell you who they are because, you know, we don't want to be liable. Well, just kidding. They're fine.
They're fine. Yeah, everything's good. But yeah, it's a good video. We have fun.
Woo!
We haven't had fun in a while.
Well, we've had some fun, but this today's been by far. The weather's cooling off. The water's cooling off. It's helping. So, definitely.
And there's a lot of bait. And y'all can see it right here. Lots of bait. And another thing is when the weather changes, that's when good fish.
Yeah, so good stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And share with your friends. We need subscribers, of course. We want to share our content. We want people to have some fun and enjoy it if they love to fish.
If you want to come fish with us, just let us know down in the comment below. And guess what? We'll see y'all on another fishing channel.
Sir.
See ya. Oh, hold on. If y'all want to see more videos like this or nighttime fishing, let us know. Comments below. If y'all want to see early morning fishing like this or nighttime fishing, because the weather is changing. You know, we're starting to get a little cool weather instead of hot weather. So y'all let us know. Right, Joe? Let us know if y'all want to see nighttime fishing or daytime fishing.
Or just catching fish.
Or fish, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
That's the goal always.
That's the goal.
Just catching fish.
That's it. All right, guys. Thank you. See you.